My name is Kyle Thomas and I'm one of the co-owners of Bush Order Provisions with my wife Marie. We are a year-round bakery, and in the summertime we are a market garden as well. Tuesday to Friday we're basically just a wholesale bakery, and we send bread out mainly to one of the grocery stores in Yellowknife. The Yellowknife Co-op is our main source, and we supply Fishy People restaurant with their sourdough every week. And we also send our microgreens, which we grow year-round here at the facility, to the NWT Brewing Co. in the Woodyard, as well as a Sundog trading post. On Saturdays we have what we call the weekly farm store. In the winter it's more of a bake shop, so a lot of our baked goods are here hot and fresh, as well as many of the other provision items that we bring in from other local suppliers or that we make throughout the week, including our frozen pizzas and macaroni and cheese, as well as our fine cheese selection. Our staple product is our country sourdough. It's naturally leavened. There's only 3 ingredients in it. It's slow fermented, so it's better for your digestion. It's by far our staple product. Our bagels are also a big hit. They're not quite Montreal bagels because they're also naturally leavened, but they are sweetened slightly with honey and boiled in honey water. So we call them the Yellowknife style bagels, and they're a hit when we can produce enough of them. We do carry many other local provisions, so ice cream and kimchi and jams and preserves and spices and sauces, all made from either larger Yellowknife businesses or budding little businesses that are first starting. And it's great because a lot of this little stuff is non-perishable, and it can be taken with you as you travel back to your home.